In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert GIFs on WhatsApp Web. This is a really fun and easy way to make your conversations more expressive and engaging. So let's dive right in and see how you can do it. First, you'll want to open a chat where you intend to send a GIF. You can choose either an individual chat or a group chat, depending on whom you'd like to share this animated message with. As you prepare to start typing, your message box is your starting point. Now, look towards the bottom of the chat window where you'll see the emoji icon. It looks like a small smiley face. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will bring up the emoji panel, a familiar sight for many, filled with all the emojis you might ever want to use. But today, it's not emojis we're interested in. Once the panel pops up, turn your attention to the tabs available along the top, and you'll notice several options there. What you're searching for is the GIF tab. It's typically right next to the emojis or stickers tabs, depending on the version of WhatsApp Web you're using. Click on the GIF tab and this will open up the built-in GIF library, an exciting place filled with an array of animated images. With the GIF library open, it's time for the fun part, searching for the perfect GIF. At the top of this section, there's a search bar. Here, you can type in any keyword that pertains to the mood or message you want to convey with your GIF. Try words like happy, laugh, or thanks, or perhaps something more specific to the context of your conversation. If you're not sure exactly what you're looking for, feel free to browse through the displayed categories. Often, there are trending or themed collections that might catch your eye. After typing your keyword or selecting a category, a variety of GIF options will appear. This is where you choose the one that best fits your narrative. Click on the GIF that perfectly captures the essence of what you want to say. Once selected, it will automatically appear in your message box, ready to be sent with just another click of the send button. There you have it. You've just added a GIF to your WhatsApp web chat. It's a straightforward and quick way to add a bit of flair or humor to your messages. GIFs can sometimes communicate emotions or reactions better than words, making them a powerful tool in your digital communication arsenal. Practice this a few times and soon, adding GIFs to your WhatsApp conversations will become second nature. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide. I hope you found it helpful. Don't hesitate to explore and have fun with the endless possibilities that GIFs offer. Happy chatting!